Hello, Mike Brzezinski here from Esri Forestry. I want to show you a couple of tools that I have that use image server and web maps. I've got a forestry portal here with lots of applications, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how a web map can use some imagery services in some very powerful ways that you might not know about. What I'll do here in this default web map viewer and ArcGIS Online is I'll go ahead and add the nape imagery that Esri hosts on its cloud infrastructure. A lot of people in forestry use nape, this National Agricultural Imagery Program. So you can see here I pulled that in, and yeah, that's no big deal. We can get an imagery-based map. Esri has different ones you can use, but when you have image services like this, what you can do is you can set up different views of that imagery. So you can have one imagery data set and then multiple ways the user can view it. So for instance, you can create, I like to call them derivatives, you can create a different band combination for infrared. You can create NDVI for vegetation health. And the user can go ahead and flip between these, but on the back end, on your servers, you're managing one imagery data set. So that's pretty powerful. So I'm going to kind of show this in action, this image server, and ways that you can use this tool set practically. I'll go back to the home page, and I'm going to open up one of the applications I have for reviewing harvests. And this one's using a LiDAR imagery service, hosted an image server. So what I've got here are some harvest areas. We've done a harvest plan, maybe with some modeling tools or some queries and analysis. And we can, in the office, we can look at these different harvest areas and just kind of make sure everything checks out. And we have some imagery and maybe some LiDAR. And we notice here we've got something going on with this particular harvest we proposed, and it hasn't been field checked. So we're going to go out and as we're in the field, we're going to use collector and do a field check. So what we're able to see here is we've got a data issue. We've got an area that's not digitized out. And so this is just LiDAR data in this raw form turned into some derivatives that you can use and you can see very easily in a web map. Once you have it in a web map, then you can use it anywhere across the ArcGIS platform, including collector. So I've got my Android phone here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my field check. And we're going to indicate that there's a data issue. Okay, so do an update. And it may take a second to change. Let's look at the attributes here. Okay, there we go. So this is the second thinning we're looking at doing in here, and the feedback on keeping this in the plan is that there's a data issue. You can also put notes in there like, this stand needs to be redigitized, or there's some larger timber on the south side that's not part of the stand. So just a couple ways that you can use image services for LiDAR imagery, create useful information products, put them in web maps, and then use them through a variety of different out-of-the-box configurable tools. Thanks.